I'm in the midst of creating an order for my special friends in the Caribbean, the customs agents in Curaçao, who on behalf of Queen Beatrix of the Netherlands sniff through every box I send to Gabriella. What I've ordered for them is the franchise hoodie, and I've already placed 3 pieces of art on them. Notice how the art is stacked one on top of the other. That the first piece of art is the 217523 Boston Walkover for Zipper. And to see the second piece of art, I simply click on the second line where I see the arch letter iconable 226476 with unique name drops in place. So there's 2 pieces of art, one on chest center and one on back middle center. And then the third piece of art is civic lettering 2-color 228303 on the sleeve upper left with this name drop. But I'm not stopping there. I am going to add yet a 4th piece of art. And I'll do it just the way I always do. Add art. And then type in the number of the design I want. Staying with our tropical theme, we're going for the banana slug, which defaults to capsize, which I will place on elbow left, and then go to the coloring and materials and select Set Official Custom Only for my coloring guidance. And now when I return to my Art Overview tab, I no longer have 3 pieces of art, I have 4. And if you're concerned that they're not stacked in order, there really isn't any order. There is no longer an Art 1, Art 2, Art 3 tab. Queen Axe will let you put as much art as you want on any garment. And she doesn't care what order they fall in because she knows that the location is really all that matters. And in fact, looking at the drop-down arrow here, as I slide the elevator down, you can see she's leaving me room to add even more if I wanted to. The only thing that limits me is my own bad taste, which I suppose means that we can look forward to some real monstrosities from Mark Denzer in the coming months.